So ninth class, we are going to discuss finally the revision of entire syllabus of PT1. Okay, so let us have a discussion on this worksheet and let us have an interactive lecture today. So I will name the child myself. You don't raise your hand. You might be knowing the answers, but you don't raise your hands. I will unmute myself. Okay. And Raghav, please keep an eye whose video is off and whose video is on. All right. Starting with VoIP stands for. Yes, Manyavid, starting from you. Unmute yourself, bete. Manyavid, am I audible to you? Okay, do one thing. You write on the paper and show the paper on camera. Okay. I think some technical problem is coming. Don't worry, beta. You write the answer and show it on the camera. I'll see. Till then, I ask question from Jia and Janvi. Jia, Janvi, ready? Unmute yourself. Manya, you write the answer for the first question. Am I audible, Jia, Janvi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Second blank. Dash technology deals with the use of hardware and software. Beta, unmute, please. Dash technology deals with the use of hardware and software. Unmute yourself, bete. What happened? You're not able to unmute? Set your mic. I'll wait, okay? Chaitanya, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Dash technology deals with the use of hardware and software.
Sir, computer technology.
Computer technology. Manya, your answer is ready? Show it on the camera. Try if you can unmute. Set your mic properly. Try, beta, if you can unmute. Okay, no problem. No worries. Relax. Koi baat nahi. All right. This question is for Raghav. Raghav, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Third blank. IPO cycle stands for
Input, process, output.
input, process, output. Very right. All right. Harshita, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Beta, fourth blank.
The data.
Yes, data. Very right. Very correct. The unprocessed raw facts and figures are called data. Very right. Yes, Manya, you want to ask something?
Sir, now I have connected
Yeah,
from
yeah,
another device,
yeah,
so
yeah,
now I can.
yeah. Now you are very much audible to me. Very good. Okay, Manya, first blank. VoIP stands for
Sir, voice over internet protocol.
Voice over Internet Protocol. Very good, Manya. So keep your mic now in the proper condition. I may ask another question from you. Okay. Very right. Very nice. Okay. Jia Janvi, is the condition all right? Problem is solved. Jia Janvi, better try to enter again in the class. Quit and enter again in the class. Or it is okay. Yeah, it's audible. It's audible. Fifth blank, Jia Janvi, the processed form of data is called?
Information.
Very right. Very correct. Information. The processed form of data is called information. All right. This question is for Harshit Bedi. Harshit, unmute yourself. Harshit Bedi, unmute yourself. Am I audible to you, Harshit Bedi? Bete, unmute yourself. You are audible now. Harshit, sixth blank. 3 sections of CPU are
Sir, ALU,
ALU,
control unit,
control unit, third,
registers.
registers. Okay. All right. This question is for Dipali. Dipali, unmute yourself, bete. Dipali, am I audible? Unmute yourself. Or some technical problem? Take your time, set it. Okay, I'll unmute again. Gurshan, unmute yourself. Dipali, take
Yes,
your
sir.
time, no problem. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Seventh blank. The dash section of CPU deals with arithmetic and logic unit.
ALU.
ALU. Very right.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Dipali, you're audible now. Shall I ask the question, beta? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, bete. Eighth blank. The dash part of CPU controls the flow of data between various parts of computer.
Control unit.
Very right. Very good, Dipali. Shabash. Japji, am I audible? Yeah.
Yes, sir, you
Yeah,
are
yeah.
audible.
Yes. Okay, Japji, ninth blank, bete. Dash input device is used for checking objective type answer sheets.
Sir, OMR, optical mark reader.
Very right. OMR, optical mark reader. Very good. Barbie, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Barbie, 10th blank, beta. Dash input device is used for processing of checks in the banks. Beta, unmute yourself. Unmute, beta. You're not audible to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you are audible.
MICR, magnetic ink.
Very good. MICR. Very good. All right. Beta, these were the blanks. Now we are shifting to interactive questions. Okay. Do as directed. Now here what you are to do. I have given 8 options. You are to separate advantages of computer on one side, disadvantages on second side. You will speak the option. If it is advantage, say advantage. If disadvantage, say disadvantage. Okay. I will unmute 2 students. First 4 options will be given by one student. Next 4 options will be explained by the other student. Okay. So Ishani, first question to you. First 4 options. Answer
First,
for
high accuracy advantage.
advantage. I write ADV. Is it okay? You will understand ADV, students. ADV means advantage. Okay. 0 IQ.
Disadvantage.
Disadvantage. High storage.
Advantage.
Advantage. Lack of decision making power.
Disadvantage.
Disadvantage. Very right. Very correct. Shabash. Okay. Dhwani, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Dhwani, next 4 options, bete.
Sir, reliable advantage.
Okay. No heuristics.
Sir, disadvantage.
Disadvantage. Versatility.
Sir, advantage.
Advantage. Fast speed.
Advantage.
Advantage. Very right. So I hope this interactive question is clear to all. Gurshan, Jia, Janvi, is it okay? Raise your thumb. Okay. Harshit, आपको clear है बेटे? Okay. Next interactive question. For this, I would like to unmute Kanesh first. Kanesh, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Kanesh, here are some features. If the feature is of ROM, say ROM. If it is of RAM, say RAM. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
All right. Volatile in nature.
RAM.
Very good. Non-volatile in nature.
Rome.
Excellent. Temporary in nature.
RAM.
Fast in execution.
Sir, RAM.
RAM. Very right. Very good, Kanish. All right, Gurshan, I would like to unmute you now.
Yes, sir.
Gurshan, next 4 options, bache. Slow in execution.
Rome.
Rome. Permanent in nature.
Rome.
Rome. Data can be only read.
RAM.
RAM. Oh. Data can
Sir,
be
Rome.
only read. Rome.
Rome.
Rome. And data can be read and written.
RAM.
RAM. I hope this interactive question is clear to all. All right. Now, next interactive question. Here are some of the options. You are to transfer the correct option to the correct box. I hope the question is clear to everyone. Japji, question is clear, bete? All right, for this question, I will unmute Lavanya first. Lavanya, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Lavanya, you are to fill up the box of input devices only. Only input devices. So let's start, Lavanya.
Scanner,
Scanner,
MICR,
MICR,
mouse,
mouse,
light pen,
light pen,
microphone,
microphone,
sir, OMR.
OMR. Very right, very good. Anything left?
No, sir.
Sure, confident?
Yes, sir.
All right. So mute yourself. For the second box, I would like to unmute Anshya. Anshya, speak for output devices.
Speaker,
Speaker,
projector,
projector,
printer,
printer,
TFT monitor.
TFT monitor.
Yes, sir. but इतने ही है.
Sure, confident?
Yes, sir.
All right, all right. For the secondary storage box, I would like to unmute Harshit Sharma. Harshit, bete unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Secondary devices, bete.
Sir, hard disk.
Shabash.
DVD.
Very good.
और sir, pen drive.
Very good.
Sir, floppy.
Excellent, Harshit. Anything left, Harshit? Dekh lo. Sure, confident ho gaya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, match the following. अब इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है? You are to match the options in column A with the options with column B. Right? Beta, is the question visible clearly or do I change the color? Ishan, question is visible or do I change the color? It is visible? All right. So for this question, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 options are there. I will unmute 3 students for 3 options. So I start with Prabjot. Prabjot, 3 options. First 3.
Sir, hard disk 1 TB.
What we do, we write here. Correct answer. Okay. So this is number 1. Wait, Prabjot, wait. Let me
Sir,
change.
1 EB, 1.
Wait, Prabjot, wait. Let me change the color. 1. 1 means this is answer to first option in column A. Have you got it? What I am doing, Ishani Japji? I have written 1 here. My idea, my criteria of writing 1 here means this answer belongs to first option in column A. Okay. Prabjot, second, 1 EB.
Sir, 1024 PB.
1024 PB. Okay, this is answer to second option in A, column A. DVD.
Sir, secondary storage. Sir, 4.7 GB to 17 GB.
4.7 GB to 17 GB. So this is answer to third option in column A. Okay, your turn is over. Prabjot, mute yourself. All right, Ishan, unmute.
Yes, sir.
Shall we start, Ishan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ishan, you start for floppy, ROM, and dot matrix. Floppy.
Sir, floppy 1.44 MB.
1.44 MB. Very right. Good. All right. ROM.
Sir, ROM primary memory.
ROM primary memory. Okay. So this comes to option number 5. All right. Dot matrix.
Impact printer.
Impact printer. Very right. Very correct. Impact printer. All right. Now for third, Gaurav, I would like to unmute you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, your options are last three: pen and photo, monitor and laser.
Pen and photo plotter.
Pen and photo plotter. Okay, we go with option number 7 here. Very right, very correct.
Monitor OLED.
Monitor OLED. This goes number 8. Gaurav, very correct.
Laser non-impact printer.
Laser non-impact printer. So this finishes our another interactive question. Very right, Gaurav. Very good. Keep it up. Well done, Prabjot. Well done, Ishan, and all the previous students who have given the answers. Really, very well done. Okay. Now this is a bit lengthy question. So I hope you all are ready for it. Now I shift to another window. All the turns are over here. Now we have Tanveen. Tanveen, okay, total we have 20 options. So many students can give answer to this. We start with Tanveen. Tanveen, unmute yourself. Tanveen, am I audible to you? I'm not able to locate Tanveen here. Okay, anyhow, let's start with Garima. Garima, unmute yourself. Okay, Garima, in this question, you have been given one category. You are to give one example of each category. Only one example. Any one example you can give. Word processing. From column A, read the category. State one example that I will type in column example. Okay. You have to give one example of word processing software. Okay. Any one example.
MS Word.
Yes. Now I think you get to know about the question. Garima, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Spreadsheet.
Sir, MS Excel.
MS Excel. Very right. Okay. Now mute yourself, Garima. I shift to other child. Navedita. Next two options. Language processor, bete. Beta, language processor, Navedita. There are 3 language processors now.
Assembler.
Assembler. Okay. DBMS software, Navedita. Anyone? DBMS software? Yes, Navedita. All right, no problem. Yeah, Tanveen is here. Tanveen, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
DBMS example, bete. Yes, Tanveen. Example of DBMS. Your voice is not audible to me, Tanveen. Set your mic properly. Take your time. Till then, I unmute other child. Okay, Dharya, unmute yourself and give one example of DBMS software, bete.
Yes, sir.
Any one example of DBMS software? You have any idea? All right. Okay, you speak answer of antivirus, Dharya. Any one example of antivirus?
Sir, McAfee.
McAfee. All right. Now I would like to unmute. Okay, somebody is raising hand. Okay. Tanveen, am I audible now? Tanveen, am I audible now? I think some technical problem has come. All right, no problem. Arshdeep Kaur, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay, one example of DBMS, Arshdeep.
MSSS.
MS Assess. All right. Disk management, Arshdeep.
Windows Explorer.
Windows Explorer. All right. Mute yourself, Arshdeep. Very good. All right. Gurleen, unmute yourself, beta. Gurleen, am I audible, bete? Unmute yourself, bache. No problem. Take your time, Gurleen. Set your mic. Take your time. I will unmute you later. Okay. Set your mic. Okay. Simran, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay. One example of operating system, Simran.
Sir, Windows.
Windows. Very right. All right. One more question for you, Simran. Presentation software.
Sir, PowerPoint.
Beta MS PowerPoint. Okay. Very right. Very good. All right. Mute yourself. Gurleen, shall I unmute? Problem is solved. Yes, Gurleen. Okay, no problem. You do one thing. Quit the class, join again. Okay. Quit the class, join again, bete. Okay, Hirday, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Special purpose software. One example of special purpose accounting management.
Sir, accounting management.
Yeah, accounting management. Okay. Another question for you, Hirday. Mobile app. Any one mobile app. Hirday, am I audible? Don't mute yourself. Keep yourself unmuted, Hirday. Okay, Krishna, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Any one mobile app.
So, Instagram, Snapchat.
Beta, okay, yeah, Instagram. Okay. Customized software. Tally. Tally is the best example of customized software. Okay. Ninth, am I clear? Tally is the best example for customized software. All right.
Yes, sir.
Raghav, we are in the class, beta. Please avoid. Okay. Next, Gurupal, unmute yourself. Gurupal, unmute yourself.
Sir, 64 bits.
All right. Encryption, decryption example, Gurupal.
Sir, 64 bit.
Encryption, decryption example. Rajvinder. No response is coming from your side. Even your thumb is not raised. Laksh Taneja, are you in the class? So once again, I quickly revise all the pictures. This is barcode reader. This is Blu-ray disc. This is CRT monitor. This is floppy. This is hard disk. This is keyboard. This is microphone. This is mouse. And last one is scanner. Okay. Am I clear to all? All right.